How to attract a man who keeps ignoring you. You've liked a guy for quite some time, but so far it feels like he's just not into you. It's frustrating when you pour in all your effort trying to get his attention, yet nothing seems to work. But what if there was a way to make him fall for you, even if he appears uninterested at first? In this video, we're going to break down why guys behave this way and show you 10 powerful ways to attract a man and make him fall for you, even when he seems not interested at the start. So if you've been struggling to catch the attention of that special guy, watch this video till the very end. Hit the like button, subscribe to 100 Quotes 2.0, and let's begin. Understanding why he's ignoring you. The first step to attracting a man who seems to ignore you is figuring out why he's doing it in the first place. According to relationship expert David Bennett, there are 4 major reasons a man would ignore a woman. Reason 1, he's simply not interested. Maybe he doesn't find you attractive, or maybe dating just isn't his focus right now. Reason 2, he's not ready for a relationship. He might want to see other people, or he might still be stuck on his ex. Reason 3, he's intimidated by you. He could think you're out of his league, or fear he won't be able to keep up with you. Reason 4, he's playing hard to get. He might want you to chase him, or he's trying to check if you're truly interested. This happens a lot, especially when you only recently met. Now that you know the possible reasons behind his behavior, let's move on to how you can attract him. Number 1, leave him alone for a few days. This might feel backward, but when you give someone space, they often start missing you. If you've been texting or calling non-stop, take a step back. He isn't used to you being unavailable, so pulling away a little makes you more appealing. It shows confidence, not desperation. And when he feels your attention slipping away, he'll start giving you more. Number 2, revamp your appearance. This doesn't mean you should change yourself for a man, but small upgrades can boost your confidence. And confident women naturally look more attractive. Try switching up your hairstyle, adding new outfits, or refreshing your style. When you feel good, you radiate confidence, and men gravitate toward that energy. Number 3, reverse the situation. Men feel good when they're chased, but when you ignore them, it shakes their ego. Men are used to being the pursuers, so when you stop giving attention, they start feeling uncertain. Studies show men are more attracted to women who don't give too much attention. It makes him see you as a challenge, and he'll start investing more effort. Number 4, be fun and playful. People naturally want to be around someone who makes them feel good. If you're always serious or tense, it won't be fun for him. Relax, joke around, be silly. Men put high value on how enjoyable and light-hearted a woman feels to be around. Number 5, let him see you're doing perfectly fine without him. Chasing a man who is ignoring you makes you look desperate. Instead, show him you have a life, go out, enjoy, stay busy. When he sees you aren't chasing him anymore, curiosity kicks in. Why isn't she trying anymore? Men are drawn to what they feel they might lose. Number 6, make him a little jealous. Even if he seems uninterested, jealousy can still work. When he notices other guys showing interest in you, his competitive nature activates. Men want what others value. If he thinks, she likes me, but other guys like her too, he'll feel more urgency to pursue you. Number 7, embrace your femininity. Every woman has a feminine side, soft, confident, expressive. Men find this incredibly attractive. Being flirty, fun, and comfortable being yourself pulls men in naturally. Research shows men are more drawn to women who confidently embrace their feminine energy. Number 8, be mysterious. Don't be overly available or too easy to get. Let him wonder, why isn't she chasing me? What is she doing? A little mystery creates curiosity. Don't reveal everything about your life right away. Let him discover you slowly. Number 9, change your mindset. Your mindset will determine everything. First, believe you're deserving of love and attention. If he can't give you that, then he's not worth your time. Second, don't take his ignoring personally. Often it's his issue, not yours. Seeing the situation differently helps you detach emotionally and protects your self-worth. Number 10, just be yourself. At the end of the day, don't pretend to be someone you're not. If he doesn't like the real you, then he's simply not your person. Healthy relationships happen when both people can be themselves without forcing anything. Just like you can't clap with one hand, you can't build a relationship alone. Both sides must want it. Final thoughts. Let's be real. These psychological tricks can help attract a man who seems uninterested, but nothing is guaranteed. People are different, and what works for one may not work for another. If you've tried everything and nothing works, then he's just not that into you, and that's okay. You deserve someone who is excited about you, someone who makes you feel wanted and valued. Don't waste your heart on someone who won't return it. You're worth far more than that. To learn more, check out the video on your screen. You'll discover 13 surprising facts about men most women don't know. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to 100 Quotes 2.0. See you in the next one.